Here are the 20 key points from Chapter 9, Vehicle Safety, of the 2023 Alberta Driver Guide. Must be physically and mentally fit to drive. Disclose medical conditions affecting driving. Drive responsibly by following posted signs and signals. Use your license only for its intended class and restrictions. Demerit points are assigned for traffic violations. 8 points equals GDL suspension. Distracted driving, e.g., using a phone, can result in fines and demerits. Impaired driving has zero tolerance under GDL and severe penalties for all. Drivers must stop for police. Fleeing is a criminal offense. Road rage and aggressive driving may lead to charges. Photo radar and red light cameras may issue automatic tickets. Your license can be suspended for unpaid fines or medical issues. Criminal code offenses, e.g., impaired driving, dangerous driving, result in suspensions. Graduated drivers cannot appeal demerit suspensions. SafeRoads Alberta handles administrative penalties, e.g., DUIs. Registrar Reconsideration allows limited appeals of driving suspensions. Speeding is a major cause of collisions. Follow limits. Always carry your driver's license while driving. You must produce license and insurance if asked by police. Street racing and stunting are illegal and dangerous. License suspensions may affect job or insurance. Drive lawfully. Here are the 50 MCQs and answers to help you remember key points from Chapter 9, Vehicle Safety. What is the main purpose of regular vehicle maintenance? A. Reduce mileage. B. Improve resale value. C. Ensure safety and reliability. D. Save on insurance. Answer: C. How often should you check your tire pressure? A. Once a year. B. When the car feels bumpy. C. Monthly or before long trips. D. Only in winter. Answer: C. What does uneven tire wear usually indicate? A. Normal driving. B. Balanced tires. C. Misalignment or improper inflation. D. New tires. Answer: C. What should you check before starting a long trip? A. Mirrors. B. Brakes, tires, fluids, and lights. C. Paint condition. D. Interior light. Answer: B. When are headlights legally required? A. At night only. B. When wipers are on. C. Between sunset and sunrise or in poor visibility. D. When driving over 60 kilometers per hour. Answer: C. What must be functioning for your vehicle to be roadworthy? A. Sound system. B. Brake lights, mirrors, seat belts, and tires. C. Cup holder. D. Interior lights. Answer: B. What should you check to ensure brakes are working? A. Steering wheel. B. Pedal pressure and stopping response. C. Tire treads. D. Oil level. Answer: B. What does a soft or spongy brake pedal indicate? A. Working brakes. B. Need for brake fluid or repair. C. AC issue. D. Normal in older cars. Answer: B. What does the ABS system help prevent? A. Speeding. B. Fuel loss. C. Will lock during braking. D. Fogging of windows. Answer: C. What color is a warning light on the dashboard usually? A. Green. B. Blue. C. Red or yellow. D. White. Answer: C. A red warning light usually indicates A. Low fuel. B. Minor issue. C. Serious mechanical problem needing immediate attention. D. Seatbelt not fastened. Answer: C. A yellow warning light usually means A. Immediate stop. B. Police alert. C. Attention needed soon. D. Headlights are on. Answer: C. What should you do if the oil pressure warning light comes on? A. Keep driving. B. Stop and check oil level. C. Honk. D. Wash windshield. Answer: B. Purpose of the coolant in your car? A. Keep cabin warm. B. Cool the engine. C. Reduce fuel use. D. Control AC. Answer: B. Overheating could cause A. Flat tire. B. Engine damage. C. Cold cabin. D. Smoother ride. Answer: B. Minimum tire tread depth in Alberta is A. 1 millimeter. B. 2/32 inch, 1.6 millimeters. C. 5 millimeters. D. No requirement. Answer: B. How do you check tire tread depth? A. Dipstick. B. Penny test or tread gauge. C. Multimeter. D. Pump gauge. Answer: B. TPMS stands for A. Transmission position motor switch. B. Tire pressure monitoring system. C. Traction performance maintenance system. D. Turn power mechanism signal. Answer: B. If TPMS light is on, it means A. Engine overheating. B. Door open. C. Tire pressure too low or high. D. Lights are on. Answer: C. If windshield wipers leave streaks, you should A. Ignore. B. Use more fluid. C. Replace wiper blades. D. Wash windshield. Answer: C. Washer fluid should be refilled. A. Once a year. B. Only when light comes on. C. Before trips or when low. D. During oil change. Answer: C. Your horn must be heard clearly at A. 10 m. B. 30 m. C. 60 m. D. 100 m. Answer: C. When should you check lights and signals? A. Weekly. B. Occasionally. C. Before every trip. D. At inspection only. Answer: C. Mirrors are important for A. Increase speed. B. Decoration. C. Monitor traffic around you. D. Adjust seat. Answer: C. Brake pads should be replaced. A. After 10 years. B. Randomly. C. As per schedule or when worn. D. Never. Answer: C. During braking, you should hear A. Loud grinding. B. Quiet squeak. C. Smooth, quiet stop. D. Clicking. Answer: C. Flashing engine light means A. Low fuel. B. Service due. C. Serious problem needing immediate attention. D. All okay. Answer: C. Worn tires lead to A. Better grip. B. Reduced stopping distance. C. Poor traction and hydroplaning. D. Fuel savings. Answer: C. Poor visibility in rain or snow often caused by A. Bright sunlight. B. Dirty windows and faulty wipers. C. Dirty tires. D. Slow speed. Answer: B. If headlight burns out, you should A. Keep driving. B. Use high beam only. C. Replace immediately. D. Ignore. Answer: C. ABS prevents A. Steering. B. Will lock. C. Fuel loss. D. Engine damage. Answer: B. Maintaining clear vision in fog, rain, snow by A. High beams. B. Clean windshield and working wipers. C. Open windows. D. Tinted glass. Answer: B. Clean mirrors and lights. A. Weekly. B. Only at night. C. Regularly and before trips. D. Never. Answer: C. Battery maintenance includes A. Jump weekly. B. Keep terminals clean and tight. C. Store in freezer. D. Keep disconnected. Answer: B. Quick battery drain often caused by A. Leaving lights on. B. Warm engine. C. Day driving. D. Using wipers. Answer: A. Seat belts should be checked. A. Monthly. B. Before driving. C. Only if damaged. D. At inspection. Answer: B. Inspect seat belts for A. Dirt. B. Color. C. Fraying or damage. D. Logo. Answer: C. What helps reduce whiplash? A. Tinted glass. B. Correctly adjusted head restraint. C. Air freshener. D. Reclined seat. Answer: B. Head restraint should be positioned A. Behind lower back. B. Behind head and top near ear level. C. In trunk. D. On steering wheel. Answer: B. Good tire maintenance improves A. Braking and handling. B. Paint quality. C. Horn clarity. D. Interior smell. Answer: A. Brake fade mainly caused by A. Dust. B. Cold roads. C. Overheating from frequent use. D. Smooth driving. Answer: C. Brakes must be regularly checked to A. Save fuel. B. Reduce emissions. C. Ensure stopping power. D. Change oil. Answer: C. Check engine light signals. A. Exhaust leak. B. Safety system update. C. Problem needing diagnosis. D. Tire misalignment. Answer: C. Airbags function to A. Decrease seatbelt use. B. Entertainment. C. Cushion crash. D. Open doors. Answer: C. Vehicle inspection checklist ensures A. Road tests. B. Vacation planning. C. Critical systems function. D. Buying fuel. Answer: C. Risk of overinflated tires. A. Better grip. B. More comfort. C. Less road contact. D. Tighter brakes. Answer: C. Underinflated tires cause A. Better mileage. B. Uneven wear and poor economy. C. More braking power. D. No effect. Answer: B. Benefit of winter tires. A. Better mileage. B. Better traction in cold and snow. C. More speed. D. Lower emissions. Answer: B. Primary function of mirrors. A. Makeup checks. B. Monitor surroundings and reduce blind spots. C. Adjust seat. D. Count passengers. Answer: B. Your responsibility before driving. A. Starting music. B. Checking messages. C. Ensure vehicle safe and functioning. D. Warming seat. Answer: C.